folks, my name's Kim and today I'm joined by my dog Shine and we are giving our honest review of the Amazon Basics collapsible soft-sided dog travel crate. This crate comes in multiple sizes. This specific crate is a size large and it is 24 inches by 24 inches by 36 inches deep. This is my go-to crate when I am traveling with my dogs. Shine and I actually compete in agility, and during the agility trial, when we're not running, she spends her day in the crate between runs, or in the evenings when we're at the hotel and she needs a place to relax. I take this from the show site right to the hotel because of how portable it is. It's made out of a polyester material as well as mesh. The door here is rolled up and attached to Velcro, but the entire front is mesh, the top is mesh, the sides are mesh, and part of the back is mesh. So there's plenty of airflow when your dog is staying in the crate for an extended amount of time. The frame itself is made out of PVC, and one thing I really do like about this crate is how easy it is to assemble. Now I don't want to disturb Shine while she's hanging out in here, so here's a quick clip of me actually setting it up. I hope that clip gave you an idea how easy these crates are to set up. Another thing I really like about this crate is if I'm not using it or I need to store it, it collapses down and is super easy to store. Now Shine here is a full-grown Border Collie. She's about 25 pounds and about 18.5 inches at the shoulder. Now again, this crate is a size large and is meant for dogs that are between 76 and 90 pounds. When I bought this crate, I was thinking that Shine needed a crate where she could stand up, turn around, lay down, and sprawl out to her heart's content at days we are doing agility because they can be long. This crate, it has plenty of room to, again, lay down, sprawl out, and relax. It is plenty of room for dogs larger than her as well. Now I will say, as much as I love this crate, if your dog is a chewer or isn't a big fan of their crate, this probably isn't going to be the crate for them. It's great for dogs who have been crate trained or who enjoy being in their crate. But if your dog wants to get out bad enough, they could chew through the mesh or the polyester material. But again, if your dog likes being in their crate and is crate trained, this could be the perfect option for the two of you. Now again, this is the Amazon Basics collapsible soft-sided travel dog crate in the size large. I hope this review helped and have a great day.